Hello everybody, welcome to another Minecraft ship tutorial. So today's going to be the SS Arthur M. Anderson. So here we go. This is the lengthened version of the Anderson, so it's about 45 blocks. Oh, yeah, 46 blocks, 47 blocks, give or take. But yeah, this is the Arthur M. Anderson. This is how she appears today. So yeah, this is gonna be quite a big, quite a small build. So that's why I chose it first. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and start placing a block here. You're gonna need red terracotta, polished cinnabar stairs, polished cinnabar slab, and polished cinnabar wall. I think that's it. Yep. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, after we place a block, we're gonna place a upside down cinnabar stair and a top slab. We're gonna go one back from here and place one stair on each side, like so. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. No, 37. It's 37. So just bring that over on the other side. So just do that. Just bring it over. And yeah. I'm choosing cinnabar because I think it just closely resembles like hull plating, kind of. Whatever. What we're gonna do now is place a slab at the end of this. There we go, 2, 1, 2, and then we place a cinnabar stair facing the front, and then we place a cinnabar wall like that. So that is layer. No, actually, that's not it. That's not it yet. We're going to go to the front. We're gonna go to the third block back, and we're gonna place 2. And then we're gonna place one stair, well, 2 top slabs, and then one stair facing the front here. So we'll do the same thing here. And then at the back, we're gonna go to the third block back. So 1, 2, 3, and do the same design. So 2 back, well, 2 forward, and then 1 stair facing back. And then we're just gonna join these ends together like so. Alright, so we're gonna just do that. There we go. So that is layer 1 done. It should look something like that. Alright. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna place 3. We're gonna place 3 on top here, and then place a cinnabar wall, polished cinnabar wall, and then we're gonna go 2. Then we'll place a slab, a top slab. So 2, and then a top slab, and then we're going to place. Hang on. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna place a upside down stair on this end here, and then we're gonna build back 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I'm just gonna count it by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So 34, 35 blocks. So you're gonna count 35 blocks back, and just build back 35. So it should be one hanging over like this. What you're gonna do now is place polished upside down stair, polished cinnabar slab, and then let's do the same thing on the other side like this, and then put 2 behind it. So I'm gonna put 2 behind this. You're gonna put a stair like this, red terracotta, and then you're, behind this, you're going to place a cinnabar stair. Crap. You're gonna place a cinnabar stair upside down, facing the front, so like this, and that is going to wrap up layer 2. So that's just a top-down view of what we should have. We're getting relatively close, so yeah. So I'm gonna do a jump cut as I get the stuff for the next layers, and I'll be back in just a second. Alright, back again, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna so what we're gonna do is place a so this is on both sides. As you can see, this is there's like a little marking there that the Anderson has. So yeah, we're gonna place a red nether brick wall on top of this wall here. And then we're gonna go back 2. Then we go 1 stair on each side, like so. Crap. And then we're going to build 1 light gray concrete on each side, 1 black concrete on each side, and then beside this black concrete we're going to place the black stone slab. And then we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, just build it back to the just build it back to the end. Build the wall back to the end of this slab here. So just do that. Like so, and then what we're gonna do now is place 2 red nether brick stairs, 2 1 nether brick stair on each side, and 1 nether brick slab on each side. And then we're gonna go 2 here, and then we're gonna go 1 on each side, 1 slab on each side, and then we're just gonna place 1 block like this. And that's gonna wrap up layer wrap up layer 3. So here's a top-down view. So now what we're gonna do is do the final layer of the hull. Thank gosh. So what we're gonna do is place a stair like this. Well, we're gonna place a wall on top of this wall here, and then place a red nether brick, and then we're gonna place light gray concrete like this, and then black concrete, and then we're gonna go just go all the way to the end of this yeah, like that, and then you're just going to place blocks like this. So that is basically just to wrap up the entire hull. So it's a pretty easy part. So that is layer 4. So what we're gonna do now is just place red terracotta from stem to stern, and just yeah. So I'm gonna just do this a little bit, and I'm going to do a jump cut. So yeah, back in a second. All right, so back again, and this is layer number 4. So what we're gonna do now is just get yeah. So let's get our other parts out of the way. Well, our other materials. All right, so that's that. Got stone, and okay. All right, what we're gonna do now is to start this off, we're gonna place a slab here, a smooth quartz slab, and then we're gonna place an end rod. And then what we're gonna do now is just place 2 here, 2 here, and then 2 here. So we're gonna place 2, 2, and 2, like that. And then we're gonna place 3 on this end, and then just go like this. And then what we're gonna now do is join this to the other side. We're gonna fill this part in with stone, and then we're gonna build we're gonna just fill this in with smooth core slabs. And then starting from here, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna build this here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. So we're going to do 15 of these. And then we're going to skip a block here. Then we'll build 3 smooth cores in the middle. And then go back 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to build 2. And then we're going to build 3. And then just do the same thing on the other side. We'll 3 across the back and then we'll just do the same thing. So. And yeah. So we're going to join this in together. And then we're going to fill this in. And then we're going to just fill this in with stone like that. So that is layer number 4. No, layer 5 out of the way. So there we go. We're starting to take a lot of shape. So yeah. Layer number 6. We're going to just put stairs across the front here, and then 2 upside down stairs across to the back like that. Then we're going to build 1 on each side like this, and then just put this here. And we're going to fill this in with stone like that. And then I'm just going to wrap that part up. For the stern, we're going to build 2 slabs and a stair. And then we're going to go one block gap. We're going to place a yellow concrete, a red nether brick slab, and a mangrove button on each side, like this. And that is going to wrap up layer number 6. Got the funnel all the way. Alright, layer number 7. Layer 7, we're going to place a stair. And then we're going to place a stair at the front, and then a pale oak fence at the back, like this. So that's layer number 7. Layer 8, we're going to place a pale oak fence here, and then across the back we're going to place a pale oak fence like that. So that's layer number 8. I know this is useless, but I could just be just doing the math, but some of you guys, I'm trying to slow down for a lot of you guys, because yeah. So layer number 9, we're just going to place a pale oak fence here, and then 2 end rods like this. And then finally with layer number 10, to complete the ship, we're going to place an end rod on top of this like this, and that is going to complete the Arthur M. Anderson. Like that. That is Arthur M. Anderson as she looks today. So tomorrow's tutorial will be the SS America.